Alright, I know that I'm 10 seconds early. Not even, but we're still going to go. Okay. So, review day today. Okay. Everything that you see today is eligible to be on the test on Monday. Okay. Right. There was confusion about that in the first class today. We were doing problems that are today's review problems, and they said, oh, is this going to be on the test? And I'm like, yeah. Because that's just what review does. It's not like I'm filling time to, fill time. Alright? Here we go. So, how this is going to work. I'm going to give you 1 or 2 problems on every slide. Okay? And then I want you guys to do it, and then I'm going to go over it. And then we're going to answer questions on it. Okay? Alright? So go for it. These 2 problems first. I'd rewrite that one as 4y to the 6th power over x to the 4th power. I'd rewrite this one as y to the 4th power over 9x to the 4th power. Which gives me an answer, a final answer of 4y to the 10th power over 9x to the 8th power. Questions? Was there
Well,
a
I
question?
said, like, yes, I have questions, but I don't know. What?
Yes, sir. How? Do we like negative exponents? No. Okay? So this first one is really 2y cubed over x squared squared. Okay? Other question? X cubed moved up, z squared moved down, z 9 up, same. That gives me 18 and 24 can both be divided by 6. I got 4 x's on the top. I got 2 more y's on the top, and I got 7 more z's. Yes, ma'am.
So wait, when I get 4y,
4y. In green or in blue?
in blue, go for both.
For blue, I got 6 y's. Or, I see. Why did I get 4 out in front?
Yeah.
Because 2 has to be squared. 2 squared is 4.
I think she's talking about
How did I got this 4 right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this 2 has to be squared.
and then you
Because
move
it's being squared.
And then you move that negative down, right?
The x squared, yeah, because they're not, these 2 aren't, for some reason, these 2 aren't attached.
Oh.
Nope. If they were in parentheses, they'd be attached. But they're not attached.
They are.
No, if they weren't, if it was, then they're attached.
Oh,
Here, not attached. Good on that slide? Yes, ma'am.
why are you switching to the second?
I don't like negative exponents. You shouldn't either.
You take
With negative exponents? Yeah. Because it's wrong. We don't like negative exponents. We haven't liked negative exponents since day number 1 of this unit. Factor. So you can't factor anymore. Question. Yes, sir.
How do you fit the x?
Okay. So back in your notes, back when we were talking about cubics a while back, okay, we had this formula. Okay. In x cubed minus 8, that's really like x cubed minus 2. Right? So x is my a, 2 is my b.
I would two A.
Because x cubed is first.
So that's why I say.
If you want 2 to be a, then you gotta change your whole formula and switch your a's and your b's.
Got it.
So so x minus 2, x squared, square of the a, plus, because that sign's opposite, x times 2, which is 2x, plus 2 squared, which is 4.
But the negative from the purple one doesn't go with.
Just tells you if you're on the top line or on the bottom line all the way through. Everybody else good? Question. divide that one out using both methods, long division and synthetic division. Hopefully, you get the same answer for both. If not, you done did something wrong. And then my line went up high. Now I gotta bring it down. No. Okay. Let's see. Let's go x cubed here. So then that's going to be x to the fourth plus 2x cubed. Change. Negative 2x cubed. Change. Oops. Oh, snap. Back it up. Zero. Negative 3. What gives me 1, negative 2, negative 2, 4, 1, negative 2, 16, negative 32, negative 53. Either way, I get x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 16 plus negative 53 over x plus 2. If you wrote it with an r of negative 53, I would be okay with that. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? Should have been a self-check. Should have got the same answer both times. Okay. All right. What's the end behavior for that bad boy? Odd degree, negative lead coefficient. Looks like that. be those two. Yes? Easy slide. Last class wanted the entire test just with NVD. And I said, that's the next. Yes, ma'am.
Do you want us to do this schedule?
Up to you. Totally up to you. Tomorrow, on Monday, I'm sure I'll see people do this. Doing a little dance. So, first off, I want you to list me all the possible rational zeros. Then I want you to give it to me in factor form. Then I want you to find me the 3 actual zeros. Okay? Here's my list. Yes? Red numbers divided by green numbers. Red numbers.
I got it.
Anybody find one that works? 2? Yes? So that means that f of x can now be written as what? As what? X minus 2 first, because that's our 0, which means x minus 2 is our factor. And then what's left over? 2x squared plus x minus 15. Okay. Now we got to see if this can be factored. Two numbers that multiply together to be 15. Does that work out? So the factored form of f then would be x minus 2 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 3. Which means that we would have zeros of 2, negative 3, and 5 halves. Yes? Question? Agree. Okay? So that means negative, or so that means 2 is my 0, which means x minus 2 is my factor. Okay? And then this is what's left over. 2x squared plus x minus 15. Okay? So then these two need to multiply together to be 2x. So it's got to be, or 2x squared. So 2x and x. These two have to multiply together to be negative 15. But the combination has to add up to be positive 1. Okay? So these two multiply together to be negative 5x. These two multiply together to be positive 6x. Together they add to be the positive x that I needed it to be. One last one. Find me the function. That's it. Since I squared is negative 1, that's just x squared plus 4. So my function is going to be x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 20. Yes, sir. Nope. I squared is negative 1. So negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4.
Everything was good.
Pretty much.
Like everything we've learned.
Everything you learned.